Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. For today's tutorial, we're going to knit 2x2 rib stitch pattern for the beginning of these socks. If you would like to see how to cast on this pattern and the rest of the flag stitch, go ahead to the playlist sock tutorials on my page and you can find the details for those as well. Let's begin. I have cast on 72 stitches on these two separate cable needles. We have 36 stitches on each cable. These needles are 3 mm thick. I will switch to 2.5 mm while I am knitting the pattern. This is for giving the necessary tension in the beginning of the rib stitch. We will begin by pulling all the stitches, all the loops on the tip of the needle. But make sure the final knot that we actually tied is on the other needle. After making sure all the loops are correctly aligned, we will start to knit our rib stitch. These first stitches will be a little tense, so be careful not to lose any loops. On this method, for the knit stitch, I will push my needle under the loop and wrap the yarn under the needle and just pull it back out of the loop. We will repeat this step one more time. Then we will stitch 2 purl stitches. For the purl stitches, I dip my needle from the top towards myself and then wrap the yarn around and pull it outwards. Here we repeat the 2 knit stitches, then 2 purl stitches, and we will continue until the end. I will be knitting the excess yarn from casting on inside this first row. I'm passing these parts a little faster because it is going to be the repeat of the same process. After completing the first 36 stitches, we will continue with the stitches on the other needle. I will also add a marker in the beginning of my work. This will give us an idea where to start and end the pattern. We have 36 stitches on the second needle. We will start with 2 knit stitch and 2 purl stitches on this one too, and continue until the end. Make sure you're switching to 2.5 mm needle on this row as well. We will continue the same process until we have 12 rows of rib stitch. For this video, I will knit one more row so you can see it. After the first row, we will do the purl stitch differently. We will push our needle from the other side of the work and under the loop and pull the yarn through the loop. I will hide the excess yarn from casting on inside the rib pattern. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this one.